we are not interested to know what crimes, why are you here, and so on. But for us, it's for you to move on after this, particularly for the inmates. We have come here with love, and that is the first thing we want to offer to all the inmates.
Skills Meghalaya, funded by the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, today the 14th of April 2022, launched the skills training for inmates of Shillong District Prison and Correctional Services. This program was initiated by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills IG Prison and MSSDS. The program started by the welcome speech and short introduction by Inspector General of Prisons and Correctional Services, Meghalaya Shillong, Shri M. Kharkrang, followed by the speech of Ricky Rinthai, the coordinator of Bethany Society, speech by Sister Judith Shadab, speech by the Additional Deputy Commissioner and District Planning Office, East Khasi Hills District, and lastly the speech by Shivansh Awasthi, ED-MSDS. This training is mainly for those who are convicted.
I used to think, after this, where will you go? You know, like even us, a court also, like we do have feelings for them also. Like when you are free, after you have served a sentence, where will you go? Some of them, we have no houses, we don't know where to go, we don't know what to do. So I'm really happy to see that the launching of this skills through the initiative from the DC and with all the help from our executive director from this Meghalaya Skills Society, and of course with the help at the grassroots level of the societies from different, which Sister Judith has said just now that she hopes that others will come forward also, and of course with the active participation from our IG prison here, who has, even though with the constraint of places, you know, for the training and all, they are still taking up.
This skill development, as the people from WISE and Bethany have already shared, that we are not looking into this skill development as something that will engage the inmates only when they are in the prison, but we want this as an opportunity that will give them some kind of livelihood, some kind of money-making opportunity once they leave from here. That's why we have selected a trade like integrated farming, because as our estate has a lot of agricultural resources, after going out from there, they can start their venture.
As Pak Kharkrang has said, we are not interested to know what crimes, why are you here, and so on. But for us, it's for you to move on after this, particularly for the inmates. We have come here with love, and that is the first thing we want to offer to all the inmates. And for me, I feel is that, you know, from my experience here, is that an alternative means of livelihood for them is a must.